Maikli man ang panahon para mag-ensayo, kampante ang Philippine National Football Team o ASCAL sa kanilang kakayahan sa darating na 2014 Asian Football Confederation Challenge Cup qualifiers. Malaking tulong rin daw na sa Maynila gagawin ng mga laban. Ang mainit na balita, hatid ni Bernadette Reyes.
Isang linggo bago ang napipintong laban ng ASCAL sa 2014 Asian Football Confederation Challenge Cup qualifiers, bigay todo na sa ensayo ang mga manlalaro. Ayon kay ASCAL's coach Hans Michael Weiss, maraming bagong players na mula pa sa iba't ibang bansa at may mga batang players na lalong magpapalakas sa grupo. Excited ang striker ng grupo na si Phil Young Husband na makalaro ang bagong teammates.
Our team, we're a lot stronger and we're in better condition than we were maybe a few years ago.
Magsisimula ang unang laban katapat ang kupunan ng Brunei Darussalam sa March 22. Pinakamahigpit nilang katunggali ang Turkmenistan sa March 26 na tumalo sa kanila noon. Kailangan manalo ang ASCALs o maging isa sa mga second placer para mag-qualify at umabante sa Challenge Cup sa Maldives sa 2014.
Brunei and Cambodia are good nations in the Asian region, but we should definitely be able to beat them, especially taking into consideration that all the foreign-based players, foreign-based Filipinos who play on professional level are eligible to play in this tournament.
Makakatulong din na may home court advantage ang ASCALs dahil sa Rizal Memorial Stadium sa Manila gaganapin ang mga laban.
So, sa tingin ko ngayon madaming player sa amin niya dumagdag, madaming magagaling. So sa tingin ko magiging magandang laban to.
Kakaunti lang ang oras ng Team ASCALs na magkasama-sama dahil may kanya-kanya rin silang kupunan pero malakas pa rin daw ang grupo lalo't may regular silang ensayo.
Hopefully now we find a balance that the clubs are getting more and more professional in order to provide good players for the national team training camps.
Competition's only 1 week away, that we have time to gel as a team and come together. But I think with the players we have, we can do it quite quickly. Every year you should try and progress. So we were third 2 years ago. So I think this year, we should aim for first and champions and for the Asian Cup.
Bernadette Reyes, GMA News.